Ja sam Danilo Cvijović.
To get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place.
Ja sam Strahinja Stajić.
Just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay them, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say them. Cause ain't no way I'ma let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. So the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up. Everything's stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be. Without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts. Don't try to ask him why or how can he. From infinite down to the last relapse album, he still whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he just bows out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth.
Dobre igrati, timska igra i volim da uderim u noge jer tako hvala bejzbol.
Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Letting you know that you're not alone.
They're guarding the line at third. Here comes the 1-2 pitch to Helms. On the inside corner, strikeout number 11.
Words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. And to the fans, I never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last we laughed. CD was aired, perhaps I ran them accents into the ground. Relax, I ain't going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back, click, clack, clap. Cause I ain't playing around.
The call, strike three, 93 right at the knees.
Back down. But I think I'm still trying to figure this crap out. Thought I had it mapped
That's what the
out,
Dodgers
guess I
want to
didn't.
know.
Black clouds still follow me around.
Fast one, swung on, and missed. Boy, that didn't take long. His first batter in the...
Not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Letting you know that you're not alone.
Encarnacion's on deck. The runner takes off. Big jump. The throw from Clark in the dirt. The tag. Whoa, they got him. Ooh, do we have some stories to tell now?
Joj, pa ne znam, piteri radi dobro svoj posao, ali njihovi udarači su jako dobri i sve su udarali, ali odbrana je jako puno grešena. Gdje si okupao? Nisam se Današnje utakmice protiv Poljaka očekujem pobedu, ključ naše.
Nadam se da će moj pitching doprineti naš tim u
Some kind of way.
And a called strike three and a curveball.
Počeli smo to, već sam bio rekao. Moj drug i ja smo bili napolje, igrali su fudbal i trener nas je pozvao, falili nam igrači za trening i mi smo došli i samo svidjela nam se igra. Bili smo dobri, svidjelo nam se i onda smo krenuli da treniramo tako odjednom i baš se svidjelo.
日本のレベルの高さを痛感しました。
Ali mogu ja iz Srbije, od high schoola dođemo da igram.
Može, kako da ne.
Kako bi to iz Srbije?
Ako ti igraš dobro, pa ima mogućnost. Kako da ne.
Za Giants na sred.
Za Giants.点を取っては取られるシーソーゲームになりました。
Spusti tu loptu na zemlju gore.
turn the music up, I got my records on. From underneath the rug, I'll sing a rebel song. Don't wanna see another generation drop. I'd rather be a comma than a full stop. Maybe I'm in the black, maybe I'm on my knees. Maybe I'm in the gap between the two trapezes, but my heart is beating and my pulse is starting. Cathedrals in my heart, a sweet song. What is life? I swear you emerge beginning to tell me it's alright. A sweet song. Every sound is the same for me, and it is a waterfall. It's a waterfall. It's a waterfall. It's a waterfall. Every teardrop. It's a waterfall.
I'm exactly where I wanted to be because I realized I got to commit my very being to this thing. I gotta breathe it, I gotta eat it, I gotta sleep it. And until you get there, you'll never be successful in life. But once you get there, I guarantee you, the world is yours. So work hard and you can have whatever it is you want.
Moje ime je Aleksandar Bokić, ovo je moj sin Christian Bokić i vrlo nam je drago što smo sa vama večeras. Oprostite mi unapred kako pričam ovaj srpsko-engleski jezik, ali potrudit ću se večeras. Ovog leta moj sin Christian je igrao na vaš klub u Grčkoj i pre toga je bio sa vama za 3-4 dana u Srbiju i imao je vrlo dobro iskustvo. I ja nisam mogao da verujem da stvarno imamo organizaciju u Srbiju za bejzbol. Ja sam bio vrlo zadovoljan i imam motivaciju da mognem što više što mogu. Nikola je bio kod nas ovde pred 2-3 sedmice i pričali smo u vezi ideju da možda donesemo igrača ili možda neke igrače ovde u Chicagu, kad je školska godina se završi. I ja mislim da ta ideja će da se desi. I ja bi poslao dobrodošlicu 2 igračeva, što ja mislim da imaju dobar karakter, dobre ocene u školi i volju da budu najbolji igrači što mogu. I ja bih hteo da pošaljem dobrodošlicu Strahinji Stajić i Danilo Cvijović da budu naši gosti u našoj kući sledeći juni i jul za 2 meseca da igraju sa najboljim klubom što je on igrao ovde u Chicagu za njihove godine i da treniraju, da igraju i da igraju sa profesionalnim i college trenerima ili i scouts da vide da li mogu da idu, da napreduju. Sve, congratulations vama i vidjet ćemo se skoro.
Congratulations Strahinja, Danilo, vidit ćemo se sledeće godine. Ajde.
Many days tumbling down in the city that we love. Grey clouds all over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? We were caught up and lost in all